If the repetition of letters is allowed, the number of 7-letter word that can be formed using the letters of the word mixture which begin with vowel, begin and end with vowel has at least one letter is repeated, neither begin with vowel nor end with vowel. They are asking question. So this question, first we have to the number of letters in a word and separate the vowels and consonants. So now let us take the next page. So the given word mixture. So there are vowels I, U, E. Next other letters, that means consonants. These consonants are M, X, T, R. The letters which are given. So now we have to form a 7-letter words because there are total 7 letters are there. Total letters 7 letters. Out of 7, vowels are this one, consonant this one. Now we have to form a 7-letter words. Begin with vowel. Begin with vowel means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first position must be vowel. How many choices for first position? There are 3 choices for the first position. Here repetition is allowed. Here repetition is allowed. So that the first position has 3 choices. Okay, number of choices of first position, that equal to 3. So repetition of allowed means number of choices for the remaining 6 positions. Number of choices for remaining. So that means second position 7 choices, repetition allowed. Repetition of letters are allowed. That will be 7. That is 7 power 6. Total arrangements. Total arrangements by using fundamental principle of multiplication. So 3 into 7 power 6. That is the first case. Next, begin and end with vowel. Second case, begin and end with vowel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Begin vowel, ending vowel. So number of choices for first and last positions. Repetition is allowed. So 3 into 3, 9 positions. That means number of choices for first and last. First 3 choices, last 3 choices. 3 into 3, 9 choices. That is 3 square. So number of choices remaining, repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. So that means number of choices for remaining positions 7 power 5. Now total arrangements equal to 9 into 7 power 5. That is the second bit. Okay. Now has at least one letter is repeated. Has one at least one letter is repeated. In this case, what we can means total arrangements. Total arrangements minus without repetition. Total arrangements without repetition. The total arrangements with repetition means 7 pound 7 minus without repetition means 7p7. 7 or 7 minus 7 factorial. So neither begin with vowel nor end with vowel. That means starting and ending position should not be what? Vowel and vowel. That is starting and end not vowel. That means the 7 positions starting not vowel, ending not vowel. So that means non-vowel consonants are how many are there? There are 4 consonants. Therefore, consonants, that means number of choices for first and last. First and last. 4 into 4, 16. So, number of choices for remaining this position over means into 7 power 5. Just we did now. The total arrangements is 16 into 7 power 5. So now we can go for matching. The first one match with begin with vowel. Begin with vowel 3 into 7 power 6. A S. A is matching with S. Begin with vowel and end with vowel. So that is 9 into 7 power 5. So B equal B match with Q. Right now, next has at least one letter is repeated. Has at least one letter is repeated means so this total arrangement minus this one without any restriction. So that is C R only. Next last D option will be D matching with 16 into 7 power 5. That is the D option. Okay, check the answer. A S B Q C R and D P.